channel released on Netflix. Let's start the video now. Usually while an individual spends a chain on skills education arc, the payoff is massively satisfying, exploding fireworks demonstration of skills. Think Daniel's brain kick in the Karate Kid or Baby's raise in Dirty Dancing. I have not any better examples from this century and I'm an antique lady. They train, they improve and they do something with the silhouette and they place on a massive display and anything is going happy. The trouble right here is this is not a movie. It's now no longer the very quit and nobody is going domestically yet. We are thirds of the matter of the story, so in place of a showdown, we have been given an ellipsis. A to be continued in area of the finishing one may think could sprinkle out 10 episodes of ebook looking, soul looking and magic learning. Finishing such as Diana in the end reads the book. Diana shoots golden tree branches for her palms and a fiery dragon out of belly. Diana joined palms together along with her arms and why now no longer her reformed witch enemy Satu and that the name down the sister on Peter Knox the desirable ass. Then enemy vanquished, the grabs Matthew, spins him around and dips him for a kiss like that sailor and nurse on V-Day in Times Square. Everybody bows. Yasaku opens a luxurious bottle of cognac and pours them a shot. Also subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more Netflix movies, web series, reviews, news and updates. Not to be least due to the fact via Peter Knox, A Discovery of Witches has saved alive the disappointingly lengthy display screen tradition of breaking lesbian hearts. R.I.P. Aunt M who went down fighting right earlier than she turned into kill, she concealed the webpage of Book of Life from Knox and promised that Diana could unite all creatures in opposition to big bots like him and avenge her. As indeed we form of had. The lengthy renowned e-book turned into Left Behind having refused to surrender its secrets. Jack turned into Pound of an noble household and the free ends had been tied up in approaches that made Diana and Matthew's time stroll appear nearly important, which is not what you need to be after a prolonged narrative journey. Had we visible a chunk of that 10 knot electricity in action, perhaps all of it would not have felt so arbitrary. A combined finishing then anticlimactic and irritating in parts, however with a goodbye of promise for future now no longer least in Diana and Matthew's pregnancy. Perhaps it's great to maintain Matthew's phrases in thoughts in terms of bittersweet goodbyes and deal with the sweet. Thank you for watching the video till end. For more Netflix movies, web series, reviews, news and updates, please visit our website www.releaseonnetflix.com and if you like our video then hit the like button and share it with your friends. Also to stay updated, please subscribe to our channel Release on Netflix.